sini. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Let me introduce myself. My name is Firdha Dwi Lestari from Mathematics Education 2019. My number is 410-1419-099. Okay, student. Good morning.
Morning, ma'am.
How are you today?
So fine.
Okay. Okay. Before we start our class, who is absent today? Nobody.
Ananda.
Nanda didn't attend. Oh, okay. Maybe we see or Nanda is come late to this class, or do you know what?
No, there's no information about him.
Okay. Okay, before we start to study about mathematics today, please to pray together. Pray together. Okay, enough. Okay. Today we will study about inverse of function, isn't it? Do you remember? I said it yesterday. Last meeting, I think.
Maybe. Yeah.
Wait.
No.
Okay. Okay. So today we will study about inverse of function. Last meeting we study about function, only function, not inverse of function. Okay. I remember that last meeting I asked you to study about inverse function. Yes. Okay. Do you study it before today?
No,
Maybe.
ma'am. I forget it.
Why? Why you forget it? I asked you is last week, not yesterday or.
No, last night I'm asleep, so I didn't study last night.
Okay. Before we study about inverse and the problem to in mathematics about inverse especially, I just to check your study, check your knowledge about inverse function. Okay. Okay. You must write your name and your numbers in right side, and then please write a definition of inverse of function. Not complete. Maybe you study before. You must write. You know what it. Okay. I just give you 3 minutes to solve the problem. 3 minutes begin from now. Okay, 3 minutes I think is enough. Please.
Sorry,
Yes.
I come late today, ma'am.
Oh Nanda, why you come late in this class?
I can wake up early this morning.
Okay, you can sit down.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, please call in your nation. Ayo, yuk. Okay. Who is Afiliani?
Me, ma'am.
You. Please read your answer in front of your friends.
Okay, my name is Afiliani Anisoma, and now I want to try to answer the question. Inverse of function is a function that reverses another function. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Okay, you can sit down. Yes, the answer from Afiliani, I think is approaches to right, but she don't complete their statement or their answer. Okay, we start about class today. We will study about inverse function. First, we will study about definition. Okay. Before we study about the inverse of function, we study about a function. Okay, please.
Sorry, man.
Inverse of function. The definition. We have a function. Function f. A function. I'm sorry. F in here. 1 to 1. One function. We discussed it last meeting, and then function f is defined from x onto y, and then the inverse of function f is denoted by inverse in this symbol is a function that define from y onto x, or we can write like this: x is f inverse y. Okay. The inverse function definition first. We will discuss about definition. Then we have a function f. Okay. Function f be a one function. Then function f is defined from set x is domain of function f onto y, the range. Then the inverse of function f is denoted by f inverse. F inverse is a function from y onto x. It's a reverse from the function f, because inverse from the answer of Afiliani is right, reverse from another function. Then inverse function we can write like this: x equal to f inverse y. Okay. Any question from definition of function?
Not yet.
Okay. If don't okay, you have a question, you can take a note. Maybe 2 minutes, please. Okay. Next we will about an example of inverse function. A function. Example is determine the inverse maybe we have a function f(x) equal to 2x. Okay. Please write the question correctly. Determine the inverse of function. The solution first. In here we have a function f(x) equal to 2x. In this form, we can write y equal to 2x. Right?
Yes.
Do you understand about this form?
Yes, man.
Okay. Then, because because inverse function is the reverse of the function. Okay, we will find the value of x. In this form, we study in the last semester maybe. This form is an equation, isn't it? Then we find x. We can find x is equal to y
Y
over 2. Okay, this is a value of x. And then how the inverse? The last step, you only change x into y because we can y is equal to y over 2. Right? And y. And then change replace y in here to x. Then we get f inverse x is equal to x over 2. Then we get the inverse from fx equal to x. The inverse is x over 2. You can try it on your book and correctly. Don't forget to in this step equation in here you must write answer. Any question from the example today? The first example, maybe to the inverse. You can give me a question, or all this class understand about inverse function. Okay, I think you understand the inverse of function. Okay, next we will exercise about the problem, especially form inverse function. Okay, the exercise is only one exercise. The question is different. We have gx equal to minus 3x plus 6. Okay, please do your exercise on your book, and if you finish your work, please write in the whiteboard. Okay. Nanda, you understand about material today?
Okay, I'll try.
Okay. Good. Nova? Afina?
Yes, ma'am.
Good. Okay. Who is to solve the problem in? Oh, okay. Nova, please write. want to give an opinion to the Nova solution from Nova? Okay. First, I think this answer is wrong. Why? In here, you not use the symbol of inverse. In f prime by minus 1, not f prime. It's different. It's different concept. Okay, different material. Right? Okay. No problem. Then this other step. Okay. The Nova change x to y, right? Okay, right. And then this equation, Nova find the value of x. Okay.
Sorry, ma'am.
Yes.
And the first, that is gx, but the last, if fx. It's different function, right?
Oh, right. Thank you, Nanda. It's different function. Okay. In here, mas G inverse ya?
Yes.
G inverse. Okay. Yes. Thank you, Nanda.
Yes.
In step to get this, I think you have no problem because y equal to minus 3x plus. First, you can move minus 3x to the left side. Then we have y plus 3x equal to 6. Then 3x is equal to okay, this in this, then we get x equal to y over 3. Okay, it's no problem because this is minus. It's equal to we multiply denominator and denominator by minus 1. Then we get 6 minus y over 3. Okay, and then replace the y into x. Then we get g inverse x equal to yes, x minus 6 over minus 3. Okay, I think enough from the inverse function material today. Before we close our class, I give you some tests. Okay, it just to check your understand the material. Okay, you can write in here. Okay. You just find the inverse from h x equal to x minus 5. Okay. Please write your name and your number in right side and answer. Find the inverse from this function. You only have 3 minutes to answer it. 3 minutes is begin from now. Okay, please. You must solve it individually. And please close all your book on all your note. Just to check your understanding. Okay, I think enough to solving this problem. Please correct your work to me, Nova. Okay, Nanda?
Yes, ma'am. Sorry.
Okay. Filiani?
Yes, ma'am.
Nova? Okay. This work I will give back. On for you next meeting, and you can see your your mark in this test. Please don't worry if you not understand the material today. Next meeting, we will study inverse function more than today. Okay, I think enough for this meeting because before we close our activity, please pray together. Pray begin. You know. Okay, thank you for your attendance from this class. Thank you, and I hope you understand the material today. And don't forget to the next meeting you must learn again about inverse function. Okay. See you next time. Wassalamu'alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you,
Thank you,
ma'am.
ma'am. See you, ma'am. It's for